Hi, this is Rocky Horner, and I've got about 5 positions to talk through here, so let's go ahead and talk my book. I am currently short the Aussie US dollar at the 88.80 minor cycle level based upon the markdown cycle, resistance at 8,900, and the low line of my wave here, the 34 EMA low. I'm also actually looking long, and I am long, the dollar Canada, which is frankly kicking my butt right now. I was long from 10.6. You can see here we're down here at 10.500, and this right here is basically about 25-30 pips for my stop loss, waiting at 480, 1.0480. I probably got a little too aggressive on this dollar Canada, I will tell you, because my third position, the short I'm taking as of today on crude oil, is basically where I want to be in terms of the crude oil weakness, which in turn should help the chart of the dollar Canada bounce. Lower crude oil prices typically mean a weaker Canadian dollar, and that allows a US dollar to rally against it and then move up higher on that chart. So I was probably a little too aggro on the dollar Canada, but I am short at the 74.50 area on crude oil. I'll probably hold this to about 75.80. So if we can pull back here, that'll help my position on the dollar Canada a lot. But like I said, I'm pretty close to breaking down if we see a break of 500. All right, another Forex pair to watch would be the dollar yen. I've been fading 90. And let me also mention, if you don't like fading and you don't like that idea of top picking, it's much clearer on the intraday chart. I would tell you I'm also simultaneously looking at the YUK on the ISE. It's a Forex option, basically looking at shorts. Okay, so I've got short. I basically got the shorts on the FX, and I've got the put options on the YUK, so that's something to think about. Also, if you like ETFs, an ETF alternative would be the FXY symbol. Alright, so my final position is the YM. The YM right here on the daily chart is basically giving me a swing setup. I'm short from 10,100. Okay, and I have a limit order waiting at 10,150. This is a swing play, taking advantage of the markdown cycle and the bounce that we've seen. So those are my positions, starting with the Aussie, where I'm short, the Canada where I'm long. I'm looking at a short on crude. I'm fading. I'm shorting 90 on the dollar yen, and I'm also short the Dow Mini you can see here from 10,100.